Mustard oil is an edible vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the mustard plant, such as Brassica juncea, Brassica nigra, and Brassica alba.
Mustard seeds contain 36 to 46% oil, depending on the variety and cultivation conditions.
The seeds also contain natural compounds like allyl isothiocyanate, responsible for the sharp aroma.
In Bangladesh, mustard oil is one of the most traditional cooking oils, widely used for frying, sautéing, pickles, and flavoring.
It remains popular because of its strong taste, cultural value, and perceived health benefits.
The production process begins with sourcing high-grade mustard seeds that meet moisture and purity standards.
Clean seeds must contain less than 12% moisture, ideally 7 to 8%, for maximum oil extraction. Seeds are passed through magnetic separators to remove metal particles and ensure food safety.
The drying stage maintains seed moisture at ideal parameters to prevent fungal contamination. Once dried, seeds are crushed using roller mills to achieve the correct particle size.
The crushed material enters a mechanical expeller, operating at 45 to 60 degrees Celsius for optimal pressing. This yields crude mustard oil, containing plant pigments, suspended solids, and volatile compounds.
The initial oil is passed through coarse filters to remove larger particles. Cold-pressed units maintain temperatures below 40 degrees Celsius to preserve natural antioxidants. Refining units undergo degumming, removing phospholipids and mucilage. Neutralization adjusts free fatty acids to safe limits, usually below 0.5%. Bleaching reduces color pigments using activated clay or carbon. Deodorization heats the oil under vacuum to 180 to 220 degrees Celsius to remove strong odors. After refining, the oil becomes clearer, more stable, and suitable for long-term storage.
Mustard seed cake, the byproduct, contains 30–35% protein and is used as cattle feed or organic fertilizer.
It also contains omega-3 alpha-linoleic acid, beneficial for heart and brain health.
Vitamin E and natural antioxidants in mustard oil help reduce oxidative stress. Its natural antimicrobial properties support digestive and immune functions. In Bangladesh, per capita mustard oil consumption remains high in rural areas due to taste preference and affordability. The local market is increasingly shifting toward packaged and branded oils with better quality standards.
Food safety guidelines require mustard oil to be free from adulterants and meet national BSTI parameters. After processing, the oil is filled by automated machines into pouches, bottles, or tins.
Each batch is tested for acidity, peroxide value, moisture content, and purity before distribution. Finally, mustard oil reaches homes across Bangladesh as a staple cooking medium, valued for both nutrition and tradition.
Traditionally in Bangladesh, mustard seeds were crushed in a wooden ghani.
The bull walks in a continuous circle, turning the heavy stone pestle to press the mustard seeds and release the oil.
The rotating pressure crushed the seeds and slowly released the oil.
That is how mustard oil is processed, traditionally and industrially, all over the world.
Thanks for watching. Stay with Food and Nutrition Facts.